Welcome to my complete tutorial for the Kanban Board Spreadsheet for Google Sheets. To get started, I recommend reading the README instructions and familiarizing yourself with the spreadsheet. Once you're ready, everything starts in the Master Task List tab. This is where you'll enter and manage all of your tasks, and the rest of the workbook will update from there. For each task, enter the task name, then select a category from the drop-down list. Next, choose a priority level, status, and the person responsible for the task. These fields help keep your tasks organized, make it easy to identify what needs attention first, and allow you to track progress and responsibilities at a glance. To ensure the Kanban board updates correctly, make sure to enter a due date for each task. Double-click on the cell to open Google Sheets Mini Date Picker Calendar. When a task is overdue, it will automatically turn red. As you work through your tasks, you can update the completion % column to track your progress and get a clearer visual overview of how much work has been completed. It's also helpful to record the date the task was created and add notes whenever additional details or reminders are needed. To edit the drop-down lists, go to the Setup tab. In this section, you can customize the category and assignee drop-down lists to match your workflow. To add an emoji, right-click in the text box and select Emoji. You can also open the emoji picker by pressing Windows period on Windows or Command-Control space on Mac. The other drop-down lists in the master task list should not be edited, as they are connected to formulas and features throughout the workbook and are required for everything to function correctly. To quickly organize your tasks, use the filter buttons at the top of each column. Click the filter icon in the column you want to sort or filter. For example, you can use this feature to sort your tasks in alphabetical order. Once you click Done, a warning message may appear letting you know that changes are being made to the spreadsheet. Simply click OK. You can also use filters to temporarily hide items from your list. For example, by deselecting True in the checkbox column, only completed events will remain visible. The same can be done with priority by deselecting any priority levels you do not want to display. Go to the Kanban Board tab. This tab gives you a visual overview of all your tasks based on the status selected in the master task list. Across the top, you'll see key statistics including total tasks, completed, completion rate, due today, and overdue, helping you quickly see where things stand. Use the filters to narrow down your tasks by assignee, category, or priority. If you would prefer to focus only on active tasks, you can check the Exclude Overdue box to hide overdue items from the board. Tasks are automatically sorted into the Ideas, To Do, In Progress, Waiting, and Completed columns based on the status selected in the master task list. As you update a task status, it will automatically move to the appropriate column here. Progress bars, due dates, priorities, categories, and assignees are all displayed on the task cards, making it easy to see what needs your attention at a glance. Use the Calendar tab to view all of your scheduled tasks in a monthly calendar format. Select the month you would like to view, update the year if needed, and choose whether your week starts on Sunday or Monday. Any task with a due date will automatically appear on the correct day, allowing you to see upcoming deadlines, plan ahead, and stay organized throughout the month. As tasks are added, updated, or completed, the calendar updates automatically. You can check the boxes to mark events as complete, but remember to uncheck them when changing months. The fastest way to do this is to press Ctrl-A to select everything, then press the spacebar twice to clear the checkboxes. That's everything you need to know to get started with the Kanban Board Spreadsheet. Once your tasks are entered in the master task list, the Kanban board and calendar view will update automatically, giving you multiple ways to view and manage your workload. Use the filters to focus on what matters most, track your progress through each stage, and stay on top of upcoming deadlines. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.